Oh, hey, you got me. What up, YouTube? How you doing? How is y'all doing? How's y'all doing? Anyway, that's been me. That's been my house tour. You've seen Ayo Stefan in a black tee and pajama bottoms. Just can't get any more realer than this. It just can't. How is it taking me like 20 minutes just to set up this camera? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Stefan back in another video. It's been a while. It's been a long summer, but I'll explain that in a completely different video. Today I'm gonna record a move-in. So I'm moving back into uni today for my second year. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and vlog the whole day. I'm gonna try and vlog the whole day. Hopefully it goes well. Then hopefully I'll get a little room tour in as well. Can't talk too loud because my parents are sleeping, so I gotta be quiet. But that's the plan for today. Hope you guys stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy. And yeah.
Alright, you went pretty fit though. I can't lie, I'm just drippy at all times. I'm just drippy at all times. Is that though? Is that y'all stay safe though? Basically, I'm just packing what I need. Obviously, food stuff. Right now, the camera's on top of my suitcase. Obviously, you got your trusty, your Gary. If you don't know what Gary is, get to know. Obviously, you got your rice as well. Not the basmati rice, not the rice we don't like. This is like African rice, the rice that we want. You feel me? Where are we finna put this? I can't lie, it's looking like there's not gonna be enough space to put the piano, which is gonna be very sad because I said the piano is the only thing keeping me sane at uni. So we gotta find space. We have to find space. We gotta find space, man. We gotta find space. Oh yeah, I just clocked. I didn't even tell you guys the time. So the time is current. Okay, I don't have my phone on me. The time is currently before 7, so it's like 6 something. It's probably like 6:50 or something. I'll have the time on the screen somewhere. But yeah, it's pretty early. I don't know why we wanted to get moving so early. Because they're staying over. So why? What we finna do? Like, what we actually gonna do? For those who haven't guessed my uni, again, I will reveal that one day, probably when I get to 1K subscribers, as like a 1K subscriber special. But yeah, a little hint again, it will take like 3 hours by car to get there. 3 hours and a bit to get there. So I guess that's like a little hint for you guys who have been asking, because a couple of you guys have been asking in the comments as well, like, what uni do you go to? I really do want to say, and some people have already guessed it as well, but I want to keep it to like a special kind of thing, or maybe I will just allow it one day and just say it all. But yeah, oh my days, I need to shower, guys. I need to shower, but I'm just currently arranging everything whilst everybody else is getting ready, because I'm apparently 20 now, so I gotta do my own stuff, independence and that, you feel me? Next.
Hey y'all, so we're back again. So it's just really difficult to get good lighting, so I kind of have to hold the camera at an angle. There's my brother in the corner. Do you want to say hi? No. So like I was saying, it's just really difficult to get a good angle, but I've had my shower, eaten everything. We're on the move now. I'm about to go to the car. We're gonna start moving. What? It's not weird at all. Bago.
And off we go, the beginning of the trip from city to city, finally going back to uni. Yeah man, I'm just vibing, just taking in this journey. I hope you guys are taking it in as well. Also bro, if you watch this, I'm very sorry. I just really had to, because honestly there were actually worse videos, so I really did put the worst one in. But stay tuned for your birthday.
Anyway, we finally arrived. It actually surprisingly didn't take that long to get here. And by the terrain, by the houses, by just the scenery, you should be able to guess where we are. But if you still haven't, then I guess we'll just wait. After we got off, I went to go get my keys for the house. So I had to go put in the money for the rent and then get my keys for the house. And then we headed straight to the house.
Okay guys, I'm about to give y'all a room tour. Hope y'all enjoy. Let us begin. Alright, cool. So first off, you know what, I'll take you to the living room first. This is the living room. Let me not lie, I love this place. You got the sofas, you can just chill out. You got chairs, or you can, again, you got a little table as well. I guess you got a view. I guess you got a view. I mean, if people be peeping into your house, you can peep at them as well. But yeah, you got a TV, remote, Wi-Fi. Listen, this Wi-Fi thing, this thing right here, if it did not work, I swear down, I would be going back home and I would be living at home for this year. But it works, it's all good. So, and then we got a little painting. Don't know what the painting's actually supposed to be. I can't lie. I don't know what it says, as in, yeah, anyway. Moving on, I'll just take you to the bathroom. This is beautiful. Actually, I think this is my favorite place in the entire house. I can't decide, I really can't, but it's beautiful. Like, it's kind of small, but I like it. Like, oh, by the way, I just woke up, so there's me surviving, you know. Anyway, okay, moving on. Yeah, and then we have the toilet. Let's just turn on the lights for you. See, the toilet is like a normal, okay, there's noise. Why? I beg, it's okay. The toilet is like a normal toilet. Yeah, it's just a normal toilet, to be honest, like. And then you got me again. Okay, moving on. I'm so sorry. I just have to do that hand movement every time. It just is what it is. And then we got the kitchen. The place where I will probably be around in the midnight and in the midnight only, because we nocturnal like that. Yeah, that's the kitchen. Like, there's not much to it. I mean, I feel like I'm advertising the house. You got the fridge. Yeah, you can already see my food stuff in the fridge. You got the freezer. Again, my food stuff is already there. You know, just when mom packs the good jollof rice, packs the beans, packs the eforigo, packs the egusi, atagodo here. It's just wow. Just wow. Like, just wow. We gotta love our moms, man. But yeah, then we got the outside. We outside, where we at? Yeah, cool, turn this around. It's looking pretty nice, it's looking pretty sharp. The lighting is beautiful. I think that's one thing I like about this house as well. Everywhere has good lighting. You get, like, the positioning of, like, the house is just where you would get good lighting. So I feel like I can film anywhere and everywhere, if that makes sense. But stay tuned for content. This year's gonna be good. You feel me? This year has to be good. I've been through too much bad for this year not to be good. So this year has to be good, man. Wow, we're getting deep. We're getting deep. Anyway, moving on. Let me take you to my room, because I feel like I just don't want to be breaking things. I've just moved in. But yeah, let me take you to my room, because I feel like I've not taken you there yet. But yeah, let's go. Alright, so we got off these little, oh, before we go, this is somebody's room. We can't open it because obviously he's not here yet, or she. One of them's living there. I don't know, I think Stephanie's, I'm not too sure. One of them's living there. You'll see them on my channel. You've seen them on my channel before. But yeah, they're my friends. Then we're moving on. This is how you get out. There are actually two, better lock that if we don't want people coming in. There are actually two doors to get out. There's one here, there's one on the other side as well. But yeah, again, window, like, it's just beautifully positioned. Oh, and you got me. What up YouTube? How you doing? How is y'all doing? How's y'all doing? Okay, I'm way too hyped, but it's literally because I'm just glad to have my space back, man. I'm just glad to have my space back. People from outside probably think I'm weird right now because the window's really open, but you know what? Mind your business, like. Anyway, yeah, cool. So this is my room. This is the bed. Got a little room there, radiator because when we're feeling chilly and whatnot. We got the TV, which actually has Netflix. I didn't clock until I turned it on, and I was like, wow, I'm going to be living my best life. And then we've got these little spaces here, and then we've got just this blank wall. It's just where my pictures will go up. I can't lie. All the pictures have to go here, right here. If you've been watching me, you would know that, you know, I usually have pictures at the background of my like YouTube videos, if that makes sense. I just love pictures so much, man. Memories, it's just my favorite gift. If you ever want to get me a gift, pictures or memories, that's all. This mirror, I can't lie, I love this mirror so much. It's a bit techy because you can't really see me, but I love this mirror so much. And then we got the outside. We outside. Alright, cool. We got a look at my desk space here. Hopefully I will get a monitor to put right there so everything can be bigger. I look more professional. And I'll just, when I develop everything, you guys will see. You guys will see. Plus when I'm working, I can literally just look outside. Any peeping Toms looking about. Oh, I can close the blinds, you know, to have that peace and quiet, you feel me? But yeah, that's my room. There's it. I don't want to show my toes because I feel like you guys will violate. I also feel like the toes have already been in the video, but you know what, we move onwards and forwards. Alright, cool, finally got a chance to sit down. And that's the room tour, that's basically the house. I should have taken this video yesterday, but yesterday was when we just moved in and I just wanted to spend time with family before they left. They just left a few hours ago. I missed them, but at the same time, I miss freedom as well, as in my own space. It's this, you see the dilemma I'm in? Like, this is actually a dilemma. It's a serious issue. But yeah, this is me. This is where I'm finna be living. Yeah, I just don't have much to say. I'm just trying to take it all in. Like I said, I just woke up literally, like I woke up and I was like, yeah, cool, I need to record this video before I forget. Or before I like put everything or anything down, if that makes sense. Like I just want to show you the house bland as it is kind of right now. And then later when we decorate it, just to show you guys again, I'll give an update room tour or house tour when my flatmates get back. But yeah, there's me. Don't have much to say. I feel like I need to hurry up this video because people really be peeping. People really be peeping. So I have to sit in this position because all my stuff is in storage. So my tripod and stuff that I'd usually put my camera on is in storage. So I have to kind of balance it on top of like a box, if that makes sense. And I can't get my stuff out of storage because everything in storage is packed. Like my stuff is literally the last stuff to come out. There's no way I can get it out. So I have to wait for everybody else to get here because I do not have the manpower to move fridges upon fridges by myself. So anyway, that's been me, that's been my house tour. You've seen Ayo Stefan in a black tee and pajama bottoms. Just can't get any more realer than this. It just can't. But yeah, that's been me. Hope you guys enjoyed, hope you guys loved it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. You know, do what you need to do, you feel me? But yeah, love you guys. Peace, love, prosperity. Deuces.